Jesse. I work at I-69. We got a Honda Foreman here. Fixing to do a floor build on it.
What's on the floor build?
We got a lift kit. We got some wheels and tires, winch. That's about it.
So Jesse, run us through the setup on this Kolpin. What all do you have to get done before you put it on the unit?
Right now I'm just pulling the rope out so it's easier to grab, and if you put it on, if you don't do that and put it on, it's a little hard to get a hold of it after you mount it to the unit. You might have to end up taking it all back off.
What are you unplugging and plugging in there?
This is the factory cigarette lighter plug that runs over here. This is what gives your winch your key on power, so you don't have power to your switch all the time, so don't run your battery dead while your key is turned off.
Jesse, what torque setting you put on these things?
3 Ugga-Duggas.
All right, Jesse, we got this thing finished up. Run us through it.
All right, we just finished up the 23 model Honda Foreman. We bought the 27-inch tires on it, on the Frontline all-terrain satin black wheels. Got the Kolpin quick winch mount kit on it, and the HighLifter lift kit on it. Now it's time to get it cleaned up and on the showroom floor for any of y'all to purchase it.